The soap you shower with? It's because I'll let you in on a little industry secret. Most name brand bars and body washes you rub on your skin are classified by the FDA as synthetic detergent. It's not even real soap. But not Dr. Squatch. We make our soaps with natural ingredients from the earth. Ingredients like oils, plants, goat's milk, Greek yogurt, oatmeal, shea butter, and citrus. No, I'm talking about natural, nourishing, cold-pressed, hand-cut soap for men. But don't take my word for it. These bars are bathing in thousands of five-star reviews. You want to smell like the forest? Boom, pine tar, we've got you. You want to smell like the sea? Boom, nautical sage, we've got you. You want to smell like you just got off a boat in the Caribbean? Boom, bay rum, we've got you. Just ask the 250,000 men who are already a part of the Squatch Nation. It's time for you to get the right tool for the job, because you're worth it, my friend. We ship it right to your door. And with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, if it's not the best bar of soap you've ever used, it's on us. Get ready to step out of the shower feeling alive. Still not sure? Here's a couple reviews from real customers.
It smells really good, yeah. Really sexy.
Oh, that smells really good. I would use it, but like if a guy smelled like that too, I'd be like, ugh.
If my man was wearing this, I would be all over him.
Mike, tell me, why hasn't he clicked the link, Mike?
I don't know, man.
Click the link!
Click the link,
Click it
bro,
for Mike!
please.
Click the link! It's your balls we're talking about here.